This is a review of my app called Atomic Structure. It is a 64-bit Android app. This is version 2.0-64-bit. And it's going to cover a number of different terms, symbols, and notations that are used and associated with atomic structure. This is designed for high school and college students, science students. And if you want to download this, you go to Google Play Store and search for Richard Carman, and you'll find my free apps in the mix that comes up. And let's take a look, see what it looks like. Okay, hit play, well, instructions, I guess we'll take a look at first. There's going to be a fire button at the bottom of the screen. You hit that in order to shoot at various targets that are going to be floating above. There's a spinning molecule, one or two of them, that'll show up, and if that hits your gun, you lose points. However, if you shoot it, you can freeze it and stop it from moving. It'll stop moving as long as you don't shoot. Once you shoot, then it starts moving again. If you're fast enough, you can avoid having it hit you. If you want to send any comments to me, you can send them to rtcarman47@gmail.com. And at the end of all the levels, you'll get a report screen. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, let's the next screen. This shows you how many points you get for each thing. Actually, I have to update this. The miss, you actually lose 25 points, not 2. When you collide with the molecule, you lose 1 point. And if the molecule shoots a bullet at you and it hits you, you lose 3 points. And good luck. Okay, here's what it looks like. Alright, so you get a choice of, there's the sound, the music. You can turn that off, go to silent mode by hitting this little button in the corner. There we go. And let's take a look at terms number on the first level here. You can see it shows you a bunch of terms. Now down the bottom, the yellow thing, that's the question that you want to match with one of the choices above. So atomic mass unit is abbreviated AMU, so when this gets over by AMU, I hit that and you see that disappeared. We didn't hear the explosion or hear the shot fired because this is in silent mode. Okay, nuclear particle, which has a relative charge of 0, a mass of 1, that would be a neutron. Look around, I see a neutron top left there. There we go, we got that. And we get a new one, and it goes through this, and then it gets to the end, it'll say it's over, and you have to go to the next one or back to the menu. I'm going to go back to the menu, pick another area. Let's, all the terms are played the same way, they're just different terms. Let's go to electron cloud. Okay, this gives you various questions about the electron cloud. For example, the shape of a P-level. The P-level is dumbbell shaped. That's that yellow thing bouncing around there. So we want to try to hit that. I missed. I missed again. Missed. Yeah, no, let's go. Okay, I got it. And now a new one, the S sub-level. That's that one that's bouncing around there, the circular one, the spherical. Okay, I think you have an idea of that. Go back to the main menu. Take a look at shell electron dot diagrams. I think some of you know what that is. These where you have the electrons shown around the symbol in various arrangement according to the valence shell of the atom. And down here you're giving the electron notation to match with it. Let me go back to the menu, and we'll go to the exit. So you can see this is the report screen. Once you have finished one of the levels, you would see here all the scores. I didn't finish any levels, so I didn't get any scores recorded. You only get a score recorded if you finish it. And you get a choice to restart the app or to exit the app. So I'm going to exit the app. And there you can see up here, this is the icon for it that you'll be looking for on your desktop once you install it. Okay, it will run on Android phones, smartphones. It'll run on tablets. Right now we're looking at it on Android Samsung Tab S2 tablet. It's a 10-inch tablet, and it's free, and hope you enjoy it. What you see on the screen now is some of my other apps that I have up on Google Play, and you can find those. Alright, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.